Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw from our title, we will be unbagging our Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of July, okay? For those of you who are not familiar with Ipsy, I will leave all the details and information down below so that you will get to know more about them and decide based on what you see today if this is something that you would like to be a part of. Okay, so without further ado, let's just open it up and see what's on the inside. Well, first of all, beautiful bag. Okay, this is our Ipsy Glam Bag. Now, I'm sure you remember seeing this last month. Okay, but the bag from last month was really big. It had my candle in it, remember? So look at the difference. Well, let me do it this way. Look at the difference in the sizes of these two bags, okay? So, but this one is for this month. Love the gold. It's very nice texture, okay? And unlike the BOXYCHARM by Ipsy, this one actually comes with a description card, okay? Now, it says, this month, the Great Escape, okay? And it says the moment you've been waiting for. 5 new products valued up to $70. And they're all yours. Well, in this case, mine. Okay, so let's just dig into the bag and see what is here. Okay, so the first item that I have, oh, y'all know I am so here for it. I am here for it. I am not complaining. And that item is this right here. And this is the Wing Me Cosmetics 07 Fluffy Blending Brush, okay? And it says, brush dash need a refresh? Maybe, maybe not, but nonetheless, thank you. This one has a soft, fluffy brush head, which is perfect for gently applying color to your lids or blending a transition color into the crease. Use this brush to diffuse bold eyeshadow shades for a softer look. Now, of course, this is a full-size product, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $14. Now, I do like that it's nice and fluffy, but it is still very lightweight, and it's not overly dense, but it is pretty good, okay? Loved the last one that I received from them. Hopefully they'll keep going and I'll end up with the whole set. Okay, then the second item that I have, okay, for anyone who has watched my previous video on my skincare, okay, this is going to go along with that, okay? And it's this one right here. This is by Keys Soul Care, and this is the Golden Cleanser. This cleanser is the golden ticket to a calm complexion with the power of turmeric, manuka, honey, and chamomile. This cleanser removes dirt, makeup, and impurities while leaving your skin feeling cleansed and soft, okay? And it says massage for 30 to 60 seconds over damp skin for a thorough clean. Now, it says, of course, this is a deluxe sample, but if you were to purchase the full size, it would be a 170 milliliter size, and it would go for $22. Now, that video, I am using the cleansing balm and also the exfoliator, and the serum. So now I have another piece to go along with it, all right? And it says, I am devoted to this moment. Gently massage over face and neck and rinse with warm water. Now let's see what kind of shelf life this one has. Although I'm sure it's not going to take me long to go through this one, being that it is a deluxe sample. So I do not necessarily, oh, there it is. This one has a 3-month shelf life. No problem. It'll be gone in no time. And it is a cruelty-free product. Now let's see. Hopefully it won't smell like one of the ones in there. No, this one actually smells like the cleansing balm, minus the charcoal. So this one is nice. Okay, we can work with that. We can definitely work with that. Okay, so this is item number 2. Then the next item that we have is Shades by Sean. All right, and this is what it looks like here. This is the liquid eyeliner in black onyx, okay? And it says it's never been easier to achieve the perfect cat eye. This matte black eyeliner is for sure going to be your new BFF, whether you want a subtle liner or a dramatic wing. Plus, the smudge and water-resistant formula means your look will last all day and night without budging. It says glide the eyeliner across your upper lid, flicking out at the corner to create a wing. This, of course, is a full-size product, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price is $18. Now let's see what kind of shelf life this one offers, because you know that is not something that we get an enormous amount of time to enjoy. Okay. Well, it looks like it has a 9-month shelf life. Okay. So, of course, we're not going to open it until we're ready to use it, because otherwise it will dry out on us. And we will not be happy, because we won't be able to get the full use of our product. Okay. So this one is item number 3. Then the next item that we have is by Head Candy. And this is a lip butter. Okay, and it's called Go Getter. And it says, when life gives you lemons, just slather this butter all over your lips for a hydrated, subtle pout. Formulated with jojoba oil and lemon extract. This formula will not only quench your dry lips, but will also help brighten your mood with its invigorating, zesty scent. Okay, it says use your finger, swipe lip butter over your lips whenever you need hydration. This one is a full-size product, and it is $13. Okay. It says it's 3.5 grams or 0.12 ounces. And it doesn't show me a shelf life. You know, I really have to take a look and see what the normal shelf life is for chapsticks. Okay, I did go to check another one that I have, but that one didn't give me an expiration date either. So nonetheless, we're going to move right along, okay? So that is the 4th item, and guess what? We have one more, okay? And this one is by Toy Factory. Okay, and it looks like this. Look at that packaging, okay? can we say sparkle much? This is the Nia Blend Serum Concealer in Dark. And this is Meet Your New BFF for a Flawless Complexion, a concealer that's rich in vitamin B3 to help nourish and improve your skin's texture while providing buildable coverage. This anti-caking formula helps give you a natural, lightweight finish while keeping your skin hydrated and dewy. It says blend with your fingers for quick and easy touch-ups. Now this, of course, is a deluxe sample size, but it says if it were a full size, it would be a 10 milliliter size at $32. Okay, very interesting. So this one is truly sealed. So I do want to open it so I can see what it actually looks like. Now, okay, this is interesting because it says it expires in 2026. All right, so let's see how much time it gives us once it's open. Well, it's actually not giving me one. Huh. But it is vegan and cruelty-free. Okay, now I took the plastic wrap off and I wanted to read something to you. It says, this is a serum concealer made with skincare in mind. It has 6 shades. And it says, find your shade family on toy.co. All right. Oh, it says this product is made in Canada. And the shade I have is D1, a part of the dark family. So let's see. This is what the inside packaging looks like. Just like the outside. I'm going to open this one and just test it out and see. Because it's so small, you know, I can kind of put it in my purse, you know, or put it in, I could actually put it in my makeup bag, you know, for on the go. So this is what the shade actually looks like when I squeezed it onto my hand. So, what do you think? Now, I'll tell you what, though. The coverage on it is pretty good because this is the hand that has that scar, that dark mark on it. So it covered it nicely. This isn't bad. I like it. I like it a lot. So we're going to see, we're going to do a get ready with me because really soon with the products that I received in my BOXYCHARM by Ipsy, which came in today as well with this. So let's see how this does indeed fare with my skin. I will try it. If it's not, you know, if it's not really working out for me, then we can always put something else on it. But I have something else that I'm working on. If you think you would like to see it, I want to show you how to get your perfect shade every single time. There are times when we accept a foundation that is really close, but what if you could have your perfect shade every time? What if you could build a lipstick that was perfect for you, the very color that you want? If you're interested in that, let me know down below because I want to show it to you, but if it's not something that you're interested in, then I really won't bother with it because I don't want to waste your time. But I think that it's something that you would really enjoy. But nonetheless, that was my PSA, you know, my commercial. Back to the products at hand. So, what do you think about what we received this month in our Ipsy Glam Bag? Okay, you know, I like it when we get a very nice mixture of items, okay, of products. Now, if they can get our BOXYCHARM or our icon box to be as good as this, that would be fantastic. Why am I saying that? Well, we received a cleanser, a lip balm, a tool, an eyeliner, and also a concealer. So we did receive a nice mixture of products. Even if we're saying, well, I would like to have a palette or something like that, that's fantastic. But I'm just saying, mix them up. So we're not getting 6 palettes or, you know, getting 3 palettes and then, or 3 eyeshadow palettes and then a blush palette. You know, we can appreciate the palettes, I promise you, but it's always amazing when you have a nice set of products. I can put all of these in my purse or in my makeup bag in my purse, and I can do a touch-up wherever I am. Or if I'm going to be out somewhere late and I want to get this makeup off of my face, I would even have a cleanser there. So I'm just saying, let me know your thoughts down below, okay? So I just want to let you know that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our July Ipsy Glam Bag. These are the items that were included, and down below is the manufacturer's full size, just for the full size products that we received here, okay? Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We would be more than happy to have you, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.